So we're going to show you how to migrate and encrypt a dataset using zDMF. This demo here, first part here we're looking at is a group. zDMF uses groups stacked upon datasets. The command prefix for the server we're going to be using is x1. The dataset we're going to encrypt here is this JH source demo 1, and this is the encryption key we're going to use. So let's go ahead and submit this to the server. That's going to define the group, or what we call promote the group. So that's going to go off to the zDMF server. And let's go over here and listcat the data set. So that guy ran condition code 0. This is going to be our source data set that we're looking at. We can see data set encryption is set to no. He's just a regular extended format VSAM data set, KSDS, not that large of a data set. So we've promoted the group in zDMF, and now we're going to go into the zDMF ISPF interface. So you just use your zDMF datasets and go into that GZD zDMF member, and we go into option 2, interact with promoted groups. So we're going to go down to demo 1 and activate that. Now activate goes out and validates the source dataset and creates target datasets. Target datasets are going to be datasets where we have a copy of the data in there, an active copy. So we've already allocated our target datasets. They're called jhtarget.demo1. We've defined jhtarget as part of the zDMF group definition, and then we've got the name here with the group in it and timestamps. So we're active, we're in the copy phase already, which means we're copying the source from the target. Now your applications can be active at this point. They could be active this whole time, so it's 100% moved. And the next phase we go into is what's called the mirror phase. And once we're in the mirror phase, all I/O that's active to this source data set will be mirrored over to the target data set and encrypted in the target data set. If you were to look at the target data sets now, you'd see that they're already encrypted. So now we're going to do what's called divert. Divert is, yes, we want to issue this request, and we don't care about retry or schedule at this point. So divert is when we switch the source for the target data set. And so the divert processing is starting. It's going to go into what we call pen divert. Now in pen divert, said it's switching the source and the target data set so that the source will now be allocated. If you look at the catalog right now, he's divert, and what we will see is that that source data set is, let's get out of this server here, look here, and now that source data set is encrypted with the encryption key. So if we didn't specify an encryption key there, zDMF would look for RACF first, actually, then anything that we specified in the group, and if not, then it would look for the SMS data class. And that's our demo of zDMF encrypting and migrating a dataset.